If you will ask me kung there will be some sanctions, kausap ko po kanina si Chief PNP before proceeding here, and sabi niya, let us just remind our people na bagamat may kakapatan sila ng kanilang mga views, but hanggat miyembro sila ng Philippine National Police, there are certain limit in expressing their views because they are part of the PNP. Kasi whether they are pro, marami naglalabas din ng pro na agree doon sa nangyari po na pag-perform po ng mandate po ng PNP, and there are those against. Karapatan po nila yon, ma'am. Karapatan po nila yon. But again, sabi ko nga, as long as they are member of the PNP, they should observe some policy with respect sa airing their sentiments in social media po. Kami po, lahat po ng miyembro ng police ay may kanya-kanya po tayong religious belief, may kanya-kanya po tayong mga political beliefs, at nire-respeto po yon ng pamunuan po ng PNP. However, there are certain ethical standards and norms po within the PNP in expressing your views, especially na alam natin na ang PNP po is an apolitical and non-partisan organization.